So today's park day. We're at Discovery Lake. Is that what it is? Discovery Lake. It has a nice park in the lake, and then there's a little fountain over there they're gonna play, and it goes off at certain times. And we have friends today. Hi, babies. Look at you guys. What are you doing? Go play. How's your snack? Is it good? You're supposed to eat the crackers too, you silly. You eat the cracker and your snack. Are you gonna go shopping? Icky? I think it's just garbage. It's empty. Okay, you want a sandwich? I'm gonna get you. Hey! You going? Shouldn't be too hot. Go ahead, sweetie. Count to 3. You have a dress on, so it's harder to slide. There you go. Good job. Yeah, just watch your step if you want to get down. There you go. Look, you go play in the house with all the other kids. You're not quite the crazy park girl, are you? She's definitely like...
High five? Braylon? Do you do high fives yet?
She's definitely like how I was growing up, like not super athletic, didn't really like the park too much, would rather hang out with mommy and the babies. That was so me. And that's so her. She'd rather be a little mommy.
Yeah.
And play with the babies. Good job. That's okay with me. Amazing little, it's like a little lake, pond. I'd consider it more. Well, it's not a pond. I wonder if it's a lake. There's like housing up there that's really cute. And it's a gorgeous hillside. And trails to ride your bikes on. And then there's a splash park that the kids are going to play at. Say hi, Aurelia. Say hello. Say, I'm so cute. I'm so cute. I am. Are you talking to the camera? Where are you going? Oh, reach for them. Hi. You be very careful. Yeah. Braylon, can you lay down in the pool?
Lay down on your tummy. Lay down on your tummy. Lay down.
Or sit down. Can you sit down in the pool? Sit down. You sit down in the pool? Good job, Braylon. There you go. Good job. Oh, does that feel good? Does that feel good, Braylon? Yeah. Good job.
Are you cold? Well, a few more minutes and then it's going to be all gone. Lay down on your belly. No. Marcus. Back up.
Can you give that to Marcus, please? Okay, here you go, Marcus.
Thank you.
Thank you. See, now she's happy that the fountain's off. That's funny. She just doesn't like the fountain. She's a lake kind of girl. A lake and a pool kind of girl. Oh, good dancing. Can you sing too? Poo-poo?
Hey, Marcus.
Hey, Braylon, did you say poo-poo? Come here. Good job. Are you all got a pool all to yourself? Wow.